Good day, I am Jerome Bautista Nalmida. Ako po ay 24 years old at isa po akong visually impaired. Ang aking pong kakantahin ay How Did You Know? I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I break up each day, feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things we work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guessed what I'm really trying to say. It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much